A new batch of leaks has just dropped, giving us a closer look at the upcoming iPhone 17 Air and iPhone 17 Pro Max. According to a reliable industry insider, these two models are so similar in size that it might be hard to tell them apart at first. The iPhone 17 Air is expected to match the Pro Max in length, width, screen size, and even bezel thickness. But what sets the Air model apart is its incredibly slim design. Both devices will reportedly have the same dimensions as the iPhone 16 Pro Max. That means no changes in display size or bezel thickness, which might be disappointing for those hoping for a more compact or edge-to-edge screen. However, the real difference lies in how thin these devices will be. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is said to measure 8.725 millimeters in thickness, while the iPhone 17 Air is rumored to be much slimmer at just 5.5 millimeters. A previous leak suggested the Air model could be 5.44 millimeters, so this new information aligns well with what we've heard before. Interestingly, the iPhone 16 Pro Max has a thickness of 8.25 millimeters, meaning the iPhone 17 Pro Max is actually getting slightly thicker. This suggests Apple is making a strategic design shift. Instead of making all models thinner, it seemed to be focusing on the Air model for that ultra-slim look, while the Pro Max stays a bit bulkier to fit in more advanced hardware. This way, Apple can maintain performance without sacrificing internal space, while also offering a super thin option for those who prioritize sleekness. One of the biggest concerns with ultra-thin smartphones is battery life. However, recent reports suggest that the iPhone 17 Air could feature a denser battery, allowing it to last all day without requiring frequent charging. If this turns out to be true, it could make the Air model much more practical. A denser battery could also benefit the iPhone 17 Pro Max, potentially giving it a longer battery life than current flagship smartphones. Battery performance has always been a challenge in the smartphone industry, but this new technology could be a breakthrough. However, compromises will likely be made, particularly in the camera department. Given how thin the iPhone 17 Air is expected to be, it might not have the same camera hardware as the Pro Max. Apple may have to cut back on sensor size, periscope zoom, or other high-end photography features to keep the Air model as slim as possible. So if you're someone who values top-tier camera capabilities, the Pro Max will still be the better option. The iPhone 16 Pro series was a solid upgrade, but it didn't bring any major design changes. With the iPhone 17 lineup, Apple seems to be taking a different approach by introducing a model that prioritizes thinness without compromising too much on performance. This move could attract users who want an ultralight, slim phone without giving up essential features. By launching the iPhone 17 Air alongside the Pro Max, Apple is making a smart move to cater to different types of users. Those who want the most powerful phone with cutting-edge technology can go for the Pro Max. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to continue delivering the best flagship experience for power users who need top-tier performance. As we get closer to the official launch, more details will likely emerge about these devices, their features, and how they compare to previous models. Apple's direction for the iPhone 17 lineup is becoming clear, and it looks like they are giving users more choices than ever before.